are special forests because the trees live in salty water and they grow where the land meets the sea. But did you know that mangroves protect over 15 million people worldwide by reducing waves and tide levels during storm surges? They also fight climate change by storing large amounts of carbon in their trees and the soils, therefore building ground level and keeping pace with sea level rise. But unfortunately, about 1/3 of all mangroves have been lost. This is more than the size of Switzerland, and it's mainly from human impacts. So understanding how we can reverse the continuing global decline of mangroves is really important to support coastal communities and healthy oceans. In this project, I will investigate how community and Indigenous management of mangroves, termed community forestry, can enhance the protection and restoration of mangroves. So under this approach, communities either own the forests or they're given permission from the state to take the forest products, to sell, to earn income, or to use themselves. So in dry lands, community forestry has been shown to reduce both forest loss and poverty, leading to conservation and social outcomes. But in mangroves, community forestry is an emerging practice, although communities depend on them, especially in developing countries, for their livelihoods, for fishing, for timber, and for fuelwood. So the aims of my project are to identify what are the factors that influence the success of community forestry projects. So this includes things like country policy, land tenure, Indigenous rights, the forestry management practice, gender, so forth. So I will also assess whether the socio-economic context and the forestry management practices, how that affects mangrove health. And I'll do this by focusing on case studies in countries such as Fiji, Myanmar, Indonesia, Kenya, Mexico, and Australia. So identifying these factors can help inform policy and programs to promote successful community forestry. So for organisations like conservation organisations, this can enable smarter spending of money in community mangrove initiatives. But for insurance companies, investing in mangrove protection can result in reducing damages from flooding to properties by more than $65 billion per year. So in summary, community-based mangrove management has the potential to protect and restore mangroves. And this is really important for addressing the global biodiversity and climate change crisis that we're facing, whilst protecting coastlines. Thank you.